तो हमारे साथ रमेश जी हैं और ये बोटिंग के लिए हम तैयार हैं। और यहाँ पर देखिए पूरा चक्कर 210, आधा चक्कर 160। और ये इंफॉर्मेशन है, पेडल बोट का भी है, 4 सीटर 2 सीटर। सो पेडल का भी है और ये हमें ले भी जाएंगे। तो आइए चलते हैं बोटिंग के लिए। तो रमेश जी हमें दिखा के लाते हैं बोटिंग। आइए सो रमेश जी हमें बोटिंग पर ले जा रहे हैं और ये देखिए चाकू चला रहे हैं और हम धीरे धीरे बोटिंग में जा रहे हैं आराम से। चारों तरफ पानी है और बोटिंग चल रही है हमारे साथ, और भी बोटिंग पे जा रहे हैं लोग। बहुत सुंदर है, आप देखिए चारों तरफ। You can see oxygen pipe for fish so that they can breathe. Here you can see fish also, lot of fish, but because now water is very cold, so we can't see fish, but a lot of fish over here. Over there, Mall Road on the left side, and the right side you will see a park, UTM.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि सूखी हो? सूखते नहीं हुआ, पानी बहुत गहरा है ना।
So you see this Naina Devi temple, and we are in boating. And here you see this left side it's called Thandi Sadak because no sunlight over here on this road. So during summer, a lot of people come here for walk, but in winter it's very cold. So they normally walk here on the Mall Road. On my right side you can see, and there you can see the Naina Devi temple, and beautiful scene, beautiful scenery, and water you can see. We are moving slowly because we are going against the air flow. And you see this hills, lake, Mall Road and hills, and here lake, temple, and behind temple you see the mosque also, and little bit you can see the tomb of Gurdwara. So temple, Gurdwara and mosque together you can see from this side. Temple, Naina Devi temple, and on the right side Mall Road, lake. So this area is known as Malli Tal, and opposite to this, so this is which side? I think the north side, and on the south side is called Talli Tal. So this is upper area, right, and that is the down area.
Upper area, lower area.
Upper,
Upper.
lower, other side. भैया चाइना पीक वो ऊपर है,
सामने वाला पहाड़।
that is the China Peak. You can see this is the temple, and see upside, and that peak I believe is China Peak. चीना पीक और चाइना पीक भी कॉल है। कितनी जगह से बोट मिलती है भैया इस तरफ? 7 points we have where you can have boating from this temple Naina Devi. One side, the other side Mall Road you can see, Talli Tal also. So there are 7 points. So we are coming back to our destination, and here you see this Naina Devi temple. So we were on the boat, and here you see this part downside of the boat. It remain inside the water. So they are putting some layer of chemicals so that water will not come inside the boat. So here you see from downside of the boat. So they repair here these boats. So repairing work is going on with some chemical. You can see everybody. And here is the Chapu. And few boats which you can use paddling. So this is a Gurdwara Shri Guru Singh Sabha. And this is parking, and there you see a mosque. So this is backside you see Tibetan market, and this is a market. One side of the lake is a market.